been some time since I did a video, but I've had a request in a comment a little while back asking about how we might send FX to an aux channel. I thought that was a good opportunity to do a short video just to talk through that specific thing. It's not particularly complicated, but it's easier to show than to try and explain it in the comments, so I thought I'd give you a quick tour through with an example. So I've got a scene already loaded up with a simple band set up. I've got a virtual sound check on my laptop playing in the background, and we'll use that to quickly go through and show how you'd send some reverb in this case. So I've got I use reverb on my vocals channel, so if the vocalist says, oh, well, can I have some reverb in my foldback please, then I'll show you how you do that. So first off, well, let's unmute the vocal channel so you can hear it.
Unlike
and
you,
you'll now be getting that in the foldback, which is what you can hear in the background.
I want to praise
on the desk, I've got that set up. So this is my main mix that I've got showing here at the moment. If I switch over to my foldback mix, I've got reverb here in pink just to highlight it. That's the send return from the FX channel. I can switch to the FX channel just to show you that. So my vocals are all being sent to FX1, which is my reverb channel. So there's some being sent to all of those. If I come back to the main mix, then the send return is sending some of the reverb into the main mix, so I can hear that in the front of house speakers. If I choose my foldback mix, then currently it's not being sent. And it should be as simple as just bringing the fader up. But the first thing to check is to make sure that it's being routed to that channel, because depending on your setup, you may find that your FX is not being routed to your aux mix. So go to routing. We make sure we've got the return from the FX channel selected so that we can see where that FX is being sent to. And if you look along here, so we've got the first one, of course, is the main front of house. That's selected, that's on. You'd expect you can hear that. And then after that, immediately are the groups and the aux mixes, depending on your desk setup. In my case, aux 1, which is what we're looking at, is my left fallback speaker, and that's currently on, so that's great. It's actually being sent. If that was off, then I just need to make sure I turn it back on. Now that I know that it's on, I can basically just go to my fallback mix and bring up the reverb level that's being sent to the fallback, and now you'll hear it coming through. So you've now got control, and it's because it's a separate mix and it's pre-fade on the fallback, then I've got separate control over the level. If it was post-fade, then you'd be getting whatever you got in front of house anyway. Of course, I can always just turn it off completely, so you can hear then reverb's gone. Turn it back on again and change how much I'm sending, and that's it. That's as simple as that, really. Hopefully that helps you.